Hi everyone, today I'm here with the unboxing of the Hermès Passifolia teacup and saucer set. If I can get this ribbon off. All right. So I am a big fan of the Hermès porcelain. I'm just going to set the saucers down for a moment. So I really like the Passifolia set in particular because of the amount of detail that's in here. So you can see in the saucer, we have all these different colors. You have the greens, the pinks, the reds, the yellows, the oranges, the blues, the whites. And it's actually quite remarkable. These are all hand set, and it takes an incredible amount of work, incredible amount of attention to detail to not only set the piece, but also translate the artist's drawings into the actual porcelain and the actual colors that could be inlaid onto the saucer. So they have 32 different colors in this set, all handmade is pretty cool. And the Hermès porcelain is very durable. It is dishwasher safe. However, we always wash it by hand just because we don't want to accidentally scratch any of the textures in any of the displays on there. The other thing that I really like about Hermès porcelain is that each of the artisans has a little stamp on the back. So each artisan has their own little stamp that denotes who made it. So if there's ever, any quality control problem, it could actually be traced back to the specific person that made it. In this case, it looks like there's a snowflake here. So whoever chose the snowflake is the one that made this saucer. And I'll check this one here, and I see that it's also the snowflake, so I know it's the same person that made it. So here is the actual teacup. So it is a little bit wider than like a coffee cup or espresso cup. Those would be a little bit narrower. I have a nice little handle here. And as I turn it around, you see that all the leaves and plants. And I'll go rotate it inside as well. So you see that idea of leaves continues inside. So the Passifolia set has really been inspired by flora, by the jungle, by flowers, and it's really quite a beautiful set. And if I go to the bottom, you see again Snowflake. So the same person that made the plates also made the cup. And I suspect if I look at the matching cup here, that it will also be a snowflake, and it is. So these come as a set. So a saucer and a teacup is one set. So what you're seeing here is two sets. Each set retails for $345 in the US as of September 2020. There are about 30 different pieces in the Passifolia set. We definitely are adding to our collection over time. We have some of the blue set, a couple of the Passifolia pieces, and I expect that over time we'll continue to grow our collection. So that is the Hermès Passifolia set, and we'll be back with more videos soon. If you have any comments or questions, please feel free to leave them below. And don't forget to hit the like or subscribe button. Thanks.